Get you a good credit card. Get you a good credit card that has a high enough limit that could cover all your bills every month and allow you to go out and shit, right? Because once I did that, that changed everything for me too. Especially for somebody like me that travels a lot now, go back and forth. And so I got a credit card that got like hotel points to come with it. So every single month I swipe and pay all my bills with the credit card, right? Then if we go somewhere, fast food, anything, credit card, credit card, credit card. So now all the bills, I'm getting points from simply paying my bills and spending money I was already gonna spend anyway with my checking account. But now I'm just doing it with my credit card. Then every single month on the first, pay that whole jank lump sum right back. Pay it all back. Don't leave more than 5% on that thing. Right? So if you got a $3,000 credit card, pay it all back, and then maybe leave like if you leave like $150 balance up there, cool. But now your credit score going up, you earning free hotel points or flight points